Hello friends and welcome to my channel Organatic. Many of us live in rented apartments. That's why in this video I decided to share with you 10 most useful IKEA products for organizing comfort, which are especially suitable for rented apartments. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Kitchen drawers in rented apartments don't usually come with dividers for cutlery. That's when IKEA's plastic cutlery tray can come in handy. Use it to organize the available space as it suits you, and if it doesn't fit your drawer, you can always trim it to size. I also like to use this tray for spices and various baking tools. It will work for office supplies, makeup, jewelry, and is easy to use. The tray itself is lightweight. You can take it with you without taking its content out when moving. Just make sure to put a plastic wrap around it. At number 9 on the list we have this toilet brush. The best thing about it is its price. Despite the small size, this brush is stable and does its job just fine. A rented apartment is usually just a temporary place, and one day you will have to move out. A toilet brush is not something that you would probably want to take to the new place with you, and at this price it won't be hard to part with it. Usually you wouldn't want to or even be allowed to drill the walls in a rented place. The T-Skin series with suction cups can help you solve this problem. You might remember a toilet paper holder I showed you before, which I use for drying household gloves in the kitchen. The holder's suction cup sticks to the tile wall, so I always have dry gloves at hand. This series includes hooks, caddies, soap dishes and towel racks. You can use them in multiple situations and any rented place. The next must-have item on the list is an over-the-door hanger. I'm pretty sure that the model I have has been discontinued, however IKEA still offers 3 similar over-the-door models with a padded back to protect the door from scratches. It's common for rented apartment to lack space for storage. This hanger can help you to use the space you have more efficiently without spending too much. I often get questions in the comments about how to store worn clothes. This hanger is one way to do it. Besides the usual door, I use it on a cabinet door in the kitchen for oven mitts and towels. It also works for hanging towels in a bathroom. You can put it on a shower door, for example. Next on the list is a sink shelf made of bamboo. My favorite thing about it is that it has multiple purposes. You can use it anywhere in the room of your current apartment. And you can take it with you to the next apartment when it's time to move. Installing 2 shelves under a sink will help you use space more efficiently, and you'll have a place to store bathroom essentials. If you are a fan of organizing, you will love this shelving unit. I personally have 2 of these units. I keep one of them in the bathroom because we have almost no cabinets for storage there. And another one is in my youngest daughter's room, which I have already shown you before. Thanks to the latches on the shelves, nothing is going to fall off. And if it's necessary, you can easily disassemble it and move it to a new place. This unit can be used anywhere. For example, in the hallway for storing keys, accessories, shoe products, or even shoes themselves. Or in the kitchen for storing canned food, fruit and vegetables, and even some household appliances. At number 4 we got a trivet for hot pots. I've been using it for many years just the way it's meant to be used. However, it has other areas of application. For instance, you can use it as a drying rack for dishes. Once all the water drains, simply wipe the surface under the trivet with a rag. Sometimes I like to place a cookbook between the bars and use it as a book stand while I cook. You can even mount it on a wall to hang various items with the help of hooks. I'm sure you've heard of the Kellogg's series or its predecessor Expedit. The reason why these shelf units work well in rented apartments is that they are functional and affordable. They easily fit any room, and you can even customize them with additional shelves, boxes, drawers and inserts. If your rented apartment is missing some piece of furniture, Kellogg's will likely make up for it. That's how multifunctional it is. Number 2 on the list is the bin with a lid, which is perfect for toy storage. It works for children of all ages. We have been using ours literally since the birth of my daughter. Right now we keep Legos for toddlers in it. It also works as a laundry bag. You can fold it to save space, which is especially useful when moving. Finally, we made it to number 1 on the list, which is my favorite tool for organizing in a rented apartment. It's vacuum bags. They are very easy to use. Pack them with any bulky items like a winter down jacket or a blanket, then suck out the air with an ordinary vacuum cleaner. It's simply irreplaceable if storage space is limited. When it's time to move to a new apartment, packing clothes in vacuum bags will decrease the number of boxes you will need. And now I invite you to watch my other videos you might find interesting. If you liked this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. See you next week. Bye bye!